Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.4 question number 2. Identify three triangles in the figure. Number B is write the names of seven angles. Write the names of six line segments. And D, which two triangles have angle B as common. Right. Question number A is identify three triangles in the figure. Let us identify the triangles. This is A. Right. Now identify the triangles, three triangles. Here you see this is one triangle. If you draw in this way, here you see triangle. There are three triangles ABD triangle. If you draw a triangle like this in the same way, like this, and this one, right? This is A point. This is B point. This is C point, and this is D point. Right? Now, if we take triangle ABD, right? There are three triangles actually. This is triangle ABD, right? Here you see, we are pointing out here. One triangle is triangle ABD, that is A. This is one triangle. This is one triangle A, B, and D, right? This is one triangle. Therefore, you can write triangle ABD. This is triangle. This is triangle ABD. A, B, D. Right? Now take another triangle. Now take triangle. Here you see ADC is another triangle. A, D, and C. Right? This is another triangle. Triangle ADC. Triangle A, D, C. Right? Another triangle is the bigger one, that is this triangle A, B, C. Right? The another triangle is triangle ABC. A, B, C. Right? There are three triangles, triangles ABD, triangle ADC, and triangle ABC, the bigger one. Right? Now, question number B is write the names of seven angles. You have to name the angles, seven angles. Right? First of all, we'll find the name of seven angles. Right? Now, first in triangle ABD, A, B, D, we write in triangle ABD, angle ABD, A, B, D, right? That means this angle ABD, right? Next is angle BAD, angle BAD, angle B, A D, angle BAD means BAD this angle, right? And another is angle ADB, angle ADB, angle ADB, right? That means this angle, right? We have taken this three angle. Now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, ADC, what are you getting? Angle ADC, angle ADC, angle ADC means this angle is ADC, right? Another is angle ADC, then angle DAC, DAC, DAC means this one, DAC is this angle, and angle ACD, and angle ACD, angle ACD, angle, next is angle ACD, angle ACD, A, C and D, ACD, ACD is this angle, you see this one, right? Okay, that means in two triangles we are getting six angles, like angle ABD, angle BAD, angle ADB, angle ADC, angle DAC, and angle ACD, right? And in all the in all cases, if we take the bigger one, that is triangle ABC, triangle ABC, right? This one ABC, we have taken all the angles except this one. This angle is BAC angle. Therefore, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, you are getting that in triangle ABC, you are getting this angle. We have already got this angle. This is called ABC or ABD is same angle. Here, this angle we have got, that is ACD or ACB is the same angle, but we have not taken this angle. This one, the bigger one, right? This angle. Therefore, it will take that angle BAC. Angle BAC. Therefore, it is angle BAC. Angle BAC. Right? Here you see there are seven angles. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? Now question number C is write the names of 6 line segment. You have to take 6 line segment. Question number C. Let us take 6 line segment. Let us take 6 line segment. That is question number C. Let us take 6 line segment. Now question number C. Question number C is take line segment. Line segment is here, you see the one line segment we can take as AB, right? This is AB, AB. This line segment we can take AB, right? Line segment AB. That means we can take AB, AB line segment. You have to give the symbol also, right? AB. Then AC, AC is this line segment, AC, right? Therefore, AB, AC, AC, AC is this line segment, AB, AC, and here you can take BD up to here. that then line segment is BD line segment. And another you can take here as DC, D to C, then BD, then DC, DC, right? Then you can take AD also, A to D, AD, AD line segment, right? And the bigger one also, that is B to C. Here B to C you can take another line segment, B to C, that is B and C, that is B to C, that means B, C is another line segment. Okay, therefore these are the 6 line segment AB. Here you see this is AB, AB, AC, BD, DC, AD and BC. These are the 6 line segment. Now question number D. Question number D is which two triangles have angle B as common? Right? In this here we can write question number D. In this case here you see in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, ABD, triangle ABD, ABD, right? And in triangle and in triangle ABC, ABC, angle ABC, ABC is common. Angle B means this one, this angle, you see this angle, right? Once it is angle ABD, AB up to D, right? And in triangle ABC we are getting angle A, B and C, the bigger one, right? Therefore this angle is common. In which two triangles have angle B as common, right? That is angle ABD and ABC. This angle, that is angle ABD, angle ABD and angle ABC is common. In which two triangle? Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Therefore you can say which triangles have angle B as common. Therefore in triangle ABD, ABD and in triangle ABC, in triangle A, in triangle ABC, angle B is common, right? Angle B as common is common, right? Now again we are explaining. Here you see which write the names of 6 line segments. These line segments are AB, AC, BD, DC, AD and BC, right? Which two triangles have angle B as common? Here you see that in triangle ABD this angle is common, and in triangle ABD this angle is common, right? Angle B is common. Therefore we can say that in triangle ABC, in triangle ABD and in triangle ABC angle B is common. This is the solution of question number 2.